Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you about some settings by which we can improve the experience of playing games in Samsung mobile as well as in other mobiles also. If we are feeling any lag in any game, if we are feeling the FPS are not coming right, or if the experience is not good, then we can think that about these settings to do in our mobile. So not wasting much of our time, I'm before starting the video I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. So let's come to this. Just go to the setting, and then you need to go to the developer option. If developer option is not activated, you can go to my earlier video, or you can go about phone, then press this software information, then build number 7 times, and then come back, enter that pattern, and then this developer option will be activated. This is thoroughly explained in my earlier video. You can go back and scroll. Then if we go to the developer option, then we need to go to one setting. I am telling you, just scroll down, just features flag. There is a graphics driver. In this graphic driver we have to enable something. Suppose we will go to the game booster or the game which we are playing, and in that game what we need to do, just we will go to the game booster. Where is the game booster? I need to just here is the game booster, and just we have to select system graphic driver, and this is selected now. If you have done this setting, go back, and then you need to go in developer option only. Just scroll down, and you need to do one more setting, that is scroll down, force OX MSAA. You can make it on. So after doing these two settings, just go back to the go back to the settings, and you can search here game, and while you search game, the game booster setting will come. And in this game booster setting, what you need to do, just go to the game optimization, and it should be at performance. Now your performance will be improved. Then in some mobiles it is refresh rate, low refresh rate is also coming under game booster setting, and that should be off. If that is coming in your mobile, that should be off. And after that we will go to the labs and alternate game performance management. It should be on. Use an experimental game performance management system that may improve some game performance. So it may cause some heating also, so depending upon your need you can do these settings. And if you have done with these settings, you just go to the Play Store and then just download one game booster app, that is game booster 4. I have already downloaded it, so this is telling open. If this is open, then it is opening. We have to wait, and then you can add the game you are playing. The game will be installed in your mobile, and you can add that particular game. And from the, if you will add that game will come here, and now you will see that pinging is also very good, and you can boost also that game. So definitely you will feel some difference in the performance of your game. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe, please press the bell icon, please share on the social media platform. Thank you very much.